In order to use the binomial formula for this expansion, I'm going to be using Pascal's triangle, which you can see the pattern that each number comes from the sum of the two numbers above it. So for example here the 10 comes from the 4 and the 6 added together. And this can be used for expanding a binomial raised to different powers. Here it's the fourth power. So the fourth, this one is for squaring. This is for cubing. And this one is for n equals 4. And then these numbers say what the coefficients are going to be. The 1, 4. So that's going to give us a 1 times something, 4 times something, 6 multiplied with something, 4, and 1. Okay, so now we're done with Pascal's triangle. Now what do we multiply with? So now look at the binomial itself, these two objects, and what we've got to do is take each one of them. So we're going to multiply with each one of them. And then as exponents we have to use all things that can add up to 4. So for example, a 4 and a 0. And then count this one down while we count this one up. So it's going to be x to the 3 and 2 to the 1. And then x to the 2 and 2 to the 2. So the exponents always have to add up to whatever this exponent is. And then x to the 1 and 2 to the 3. And finally x to the 0 and 2 to the 4. And because this is positive, then all of these are going to be positive. And then we just need to simplify a little bit. So this is a 1, that's a 1, so we begin with x to the 4. And then we've got an 8, x to the 3. Let's see, a 6 times 4 is 24, x squared. And then an 8 times 4 is 32, for x. And then this is going to be a 1, and so we just have 2 to the 4th, which is a 16. 2, 2, 2, 2 means a 4 times 4, yes, 16. And there it is, thanks to Pascal's triangle.